I always get this question in cooking classes, what is the easiest way to open a cauliflower? So let me just show you. It is quite easy. So you're gonna take a big knife, you're gonna take your head of cauliflower, and you are going to cut it in half, okay? And then you are just going to cut around, see, it gets a little messy, but that's what I always do, make a little mess. You're just cutting around this stalk here, you're just cutting it off. All right, there we go. The next thing that you're gonna do if you're gonna be roasting this cauliflower is you're gonna make it into smaller pieces, but you're just gonna use your hand. And while I'm here, I'm gonna give you one more little tip. If you're gonna be roasting cauliflower and you want it to get brown and you want it to get caramelized in the oven, it's important that it is not wet before you put it in the oven, which means either don't wash it and buy organic and don't wash it, that's what I do, or as soon as you get home from the market, wash it and then put it in your fridge so it's nice and dry before you cook it. There you go, how to open a cauliflower.